totally certified. So box number 10, break number 10, totally certified on 4/15/2014. Good luck, everybody. Got Marie. This is Marie. And here's Donnie. We used to open the boxes with Donnie, but he got a little bit dull. But Marie is sharp, razor sharp. She's opened up those Bowman Sterling boxes really nice for us. Empty box. Alright, guys. Good luck. Yes. Alright, we'll start off with a Thanksgiving. Aaron Rodgers. And a freshman Phenoms. Mike Gillislee. Sorry for the reflection there. And a Stitches in Time for the Chiefs. $2.99. 24/299. Tamba Ali. Focus. Nice looking Stitches in Time. Embossed look there. Chiefs. And then we got a Bumblebee Ben and a Joe Flacco. Yeah, there have been. There's been a couple of him. Alan Page, Thanksgiving for the Vikings. Marcus Wheaton, Phenoms. Freshman Phenoms signature. Redemption for Zach Dysert. Joe Knows. AFC West, Joe Knows. And we've got a Megatron and a Red Rocket. Broncos, yes. AFC West. Bart Starr, Thanksgiving. Packers. Phenoms, Matt Barkley. Numbered to $4.99. The wrong Bills quarterback, but could still be the right one if EJ doesn't perform. Jeff Toole. Mark Sanchez, Sam Bradford. AFC East. Rocket Man. Rocket Fan. Yep. Hey, a hit's a hit. Auto rookies, you never know where he'll end up or if he'll stay there forever. He played all right when he was in there. Stafford, Thanksgiving. Sanders, Thanksgiving. Marquise Goodwin, rookie Phenoms. Number 2/299. Not the Arian Foster. To the AFC South. JTG. Taking home the Denard Robinson. The pool table. It looks like a pool table. Yeah, but it seems like it goes like that. It'll either all go to a great division, the good division, or straight to the other ones. Marvin Harrison, one of my favorites of all time. Not that that means anything. Earl the Pearl Campbell. Mike Lennon. NFC South stud. Another Jags hit. Mercedes Lewis blue number to 25. 4 of 25 for the AFC South again. 4 of 25. It's inconceivable. And Jamal Charles. It's inconceivable. What was that from? Was that... there you go. Princess Bride. Last pack, guys. Thanks again. Randy White. Tony Romo. A blue Amendola, 33 of 99. And a Super Bowl winning rookie running back, 27 of 299. Christine Michael. And Des Bryant. Christine Michael is probably the scariest looking dude I've ever seen. His score rookie. Man. AFC West. Joe knows. Takes home the Christine Michael again. Skip sucks. He sucks at Totally Certified. We can do like a 3 or 4 box break if you guys wanted. I'm Totally Certified. Phenoms, rookie phenoms. We can still do it. Rookie phenoms. Signatures Dysert. You can do a Gypsy and Sterling. You can do... we can do combine anything. I've got Topps Jumbos, which have been awesome. We pulled so many low-numbered gold-framed cards. Sandy Koufax, and pulled a Reggie Jackson auto number to 10. Well, let's do 3-box Totally Certified for $33.49. Let's do it for $32.99, so you still have 50 cents in case you need to send somebody some goods. $32.99 for 3-box Totally Certified. If we combine Sterling with anything, it's going to just blow it out of the water. $37.99. There really is good stuff in Totally Certified, believe it or not. It can be up and down, but We've hit some nice stuff. Oh, no problem, Joe. Feel free to hang out, or if you got to go, go. All right, Donnelly. Thanks as always. Awesome, Joe. Thanks so much. If you guys are new and haven't subscribed, subscribe down the bottom before you head out. Single box or single totally certified would fit in there. Everything else is over right now.